The side effects of the global pandemic have been severe, and we in Jamaica have not been spared. We are enduring a deep contraction in our economy. We are enduring increased unemployment, increased levels of poverty, and of course, worsening inequality. It is not surprising that such a profound crisis has forced us to embrace significant change as we seek to navigate the adjustments and hardships it has thrust upon us. There have also been some benefits, as the reduction of social activities has meant more time spent with family and more time to contemplate and reflect on the things that matter most in life. Most importantly, it has been a time to strengthen our faith as Christians and to get closer to God. It is in the message of Jesus Christ our Lord that we find the source of strength and hope to cope with the turmoil and insecurity of this era. It is His example that must guide our thoughts and our deeds as we seek a way forward to cope with all that is facing us. It is our sense of community, of love and caring for each other that must serve as a cornerstone of our nation's response to the pandemic crisis and the hardships it has brought with it. The wider Jamaican family of our diaspora overseas has also been providing vital support for families here on the Rock through these uncertain times, and we must always give thanks for their support and their benevolence. In thinking about the possibilities that a new year brings, and with the development of our nation at the forefront of our minds, I am reminded of Isaiah chapter 1 verse 17, where it says, "Learn to do right, seek justice, defend the oppressed, take up the cause of the fatherless, and plead the case of the widow." As we respond to the new situation that confronts our nation, it is an opportunity to forge a more caring, inclusive, and equitable society in our beloved Jamaica, in which all our people have a place as citizens and where each one of us is treated as no less valuable or worthy than any of us. I urge my fellow Jamaicans to seek healing for our nation by building our communities, by making a collective commitment to doing right, by seeking justice, and by helping the less fortunate than ourselves. I wish you, Jamaicans everywhere, good health, safe living, and all that is good as we embark on this new year, 2021. May God bless us all. Thank you.